Hello, my name is Anvika and my student ID is 11502808. So the topic I'm going to explain is backpropagation. Backpropagation is a supervised learning algorithm which is basically used for training neural networks. Here you can see a simple structure of the neural network where it has the input layer, hidden layer and output layer, and each layer consists of neurons. So in simple words, we can say that a neural network is a circuit of neurons. Backpropagation algorithm is basically used for training feed-forward neural networks. It also computes the gradient of the loss function with respect to network weights, and it's very efficient because rather than naively computing the gradient with respect to its individual weight, in backpropagation it computes the gradient with respect to the network weights. The backpropagation algorithm is also known as backward propagation of errors because it backpropagates the errors from the output nodes to the input nodes. It also does not require any parameters to be set except for the number of the inputs. There are two types of backpropagation, that is static and recurrent. Coming to the static backpropagation, it is a network designed to map the static inputs for the static outputs. Coming to the recurrent backpropagation, it is a recursive backpropagation which is used for fixed point learning. Also, the activation in recurrent backpropagation is feed forward until a fixed value is reached. Static backpropagation provides an instant mapping, while the recurrent backpropagation does not provide any instant mapping. Also, there are many applications of backpropagation, like it is used for the speech recognition, and we can also see its applications in the field of character and face recognition also. Coming to the working of uh, coming to why we need the back propagation is for example, if you need to construct a neural network, uh, we will randomly assign the values for these weights in the hidden layer, which will further affect the output prediction. Since we cannot guess the correct value based on the random value that we give to these weights, uh, our output is decided, and since we give the random values, the error might be more. So in order to decrease this particular error, uh, we back propagate and give new values to these weights so that the error is decreased in further iterations. So this is the basic need for back propagation algorithm. Coming to the working of back propagation, um, I'm going to tell it stepwise. Like in step 1, the inputs X are given to the pre-connected path, and then this particular input is modeled using two weights W, which are basically chosen randomly. And in the step 3, we calculate the output of each neuron from the input layer to the hidden layer and again to the output layer. In the fourth step, we calculate the error in these outputs, and the backpropagation error is basically equal to actual output minus the desired output. In the fifth step, we just go back to the hidden layer from the output layer in order to adjust the weights for basically reducing the error. And step 6 is nothing but repeating this process until we get the desired output. So these are the steps of backpropagation algorithm. Coming to the basic advantages of this algorithm, it is fast and easy to program. This algorithm is flexible. It only needs like number of the inputs are tuned, not any other parameter. Also, you will not need users to learn any specific function for this algorithm. Coming to the disadvantages, it is sensitive to noisy data and irregularities, and this noisy data can further lead to inaccurate results also. Performance of the backpropagation algorithm is highly dependent on the input data. Also, in this algorithm, we spend too much time in training the data. So these are the disadvantages of backpropagation algorithm. Thank you.